Hello YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Right now I open up this one here, and this is a GE microwave here. I just put this one like a year ago or maybe 2 years ago, and this is still it's just only 2 years old. So, and then I already have a problem on this thing because every time the tenant over here, they said the breaker trips all the time when they try to turn it on. So when I uh, check it, this one, and I try it myself, and I turn it on, and then and the breakers and the circuit breaker, it trips. So now I need to find out what is the problem. I do some research and think that but the microwave itself is working. Everything, it runs, but it just only like a second, it trips right away. So yeah, so now I open up this one here. So I remove the panel cover right here. I test this one right here, and I use my multimeter down here, and I check it, the continuity right here. If they have if it's connected, and I will check this switch right here. There's a switch here. These are door sensor switch here. They have three of them, one on the top right there, and one over here. This thing, it works only if the door is closed, but the other switch here, this is the sensing switch right here. If it's open, it shouldn't get any continuity. So right now I'm getting some and this is bad because I was trying to press this one. I cannot press it anymore, not like this one over here. When you press this one here, you can hear it, it's click right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that right there. See that? So this is good, and also the one on the top. So but this one, even you try to press it, it doesn't do anything. It's really hard. So now I need to order one of these switch right here. So yeah, and then it's gonna work again. And as you can see, if you try to test this thing out, okay, put the multimeter right there, and I put that one there. You're gonna get some beep right here. Okay, see that? You shouldn't get that because if it's off, you shouldn't get that. Okay, this is the parts of the microwave because there's a problem when you try to turn it on the microwave, and then the brake trips. So I find out that this is the sensing sensor on that mic door of the microwave. So I want to try to save this one if I can fix it, but you cannot fix it anymore. Some of them you can fix them if it's only like not really burned out, but this one is really burned. So I ordered a new one. It just arrived today, and this is the one right here. Okay, this is the new one, because this one, it clicks. You can see that. Okay, this one before, you cannot hear this click anymore, this button right here. So now I want to try to fix this one, but the contact is really burned, so I cannot do anything anymore. But normally I try to fix this thing out. You just get some very fine sandpaper and to fix them out, so and it will work. But this one totally burned out the contact right here. These together right here. These two here, these should be separate. This is like if you in a motorcycle, if they're using a contact point, this is the one they use. They have that. Any mechanism for to have a contact point, it's like it's contact when it runs, and it like contacting. It will go together. It's a switch. So this one you cannot fix it anymore. So I buy a new one here. So this is what I'm going to put that on microwave. Okay. Okay, this is the microwave now. I already removed all the panel, so I just need to remove this thing out here. Okay, it's the switch right here. See that? There's a panel down over here, right there. This is the one over here on this side. So make it short. Move it. You're not gonna. This was wires there. Okay, this is the place where you put the switch over here, because this thing they have 3 switch down here. They have 1 there, and they have over here. So I'm going to put that one. This is for all the doors. You know, it's a sensors for the doors. Okay, and there's a piece right there. I had to test that one out, so it's good. Only the switch door right here to replace it. So when you put it in right there, there's a, you see that little tab right there. If you want to take care of that one, you just need to push that with a small screw, and you see that there, that black button right there, that's the one right button. And here's the other one here. See that? There. This is another switch for the door. So there are 2 of them over here and 1 over there on the top. So I'm going to put it back on now. So everything's in place. You see this one right here. So when you put it on, you need to hook this thing up right here. So when you put it, there's 2 hook over there, and then you can put 2 screw here and 1 screw here. So they have only 2. Okay, everything is set up now. I put all the screw here on the top. Over here, I will turn it on the breaker. So I plug it in already there. So now I'm going to start this. Okay. Right, let's put. Yep. There you go. It's working now. And the breaker's not tripped anymore. So before, when you turn it on, you close and turn it on, and it will trips the breaker. Now it's working again. So only that switch. Okay. So now I need to start again. Okay. There you go. All right. Everything is working now. So only the sensor